natural health for beginners.
How to make Calendula Salve for dry skin. Creating a Calendula Salve at home is a wonderful way to treat dry or irritated skin naturally. Calendula is known for its healing properties and is perfect for soothing sensitive skin. In this YouTube video titled, How to Make Calendula Salve for Dry Skin, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of crafting your own moisturizing and healing salve using calendula flowers. Ingredients needed: 1 cup of dried calendula flowers. Calendula has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it perfect for healing and soothing dry, cracked skin. 1 cup of carrier oil, such as olive oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil. This helps to extract the beneficial properties from the calendula flowers. Olive oil is a great choice for a moisturizing base, but any skin-friendly oil will work. 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons, of beeswax pellets. Beeswax helps thicken the salve and gives it a balm-like texture while locking moisture into your skin. Optional: a few drops of essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil for additional healing properties or fragrance. Step-by-step instructions. Infuse the oil. In a heat-proof glass jar or a double boiler, add the 1 cup of dried calendula flowers and cover them with 1 cup of your chosen carrier oil. Gently heat the mixture over low heat for 2 to 3 hours to allow the flowers to infuse the oil. Keep the heat low to avoid burning the herbs. Once the infusion is done, strain the oil through a cheesecloth or fine mesh sieve to separate the flowers from the oil. Melt the beeswax. Place 1 ounce of beeswax pellets into a double boiler and melt them over low heat. Once the beeswax is fully melted, remove it from the heat. Mix the infused oil and beeswax. Slowly pour your infused calendula oil into the melted beeswax while stirring continuously until the mixture is well combined. At this point, you can add a few drops of essential oils if you want to enhance the scent or add extra healing benefits, optional. Pour into containers. Once everything is mixed together, pour the salve into small, sterilized jars or tins. Allow the mixture to cool and harden completely before sealing the containers. Label and store. Label your jars with the date and ingredients used. Store the calendula salve in a cool, dry place. The salve will keep for about 6 to 12 months. How to use the calendula salve: apply a small amount to dry, cracked, or irritated skin as needed. Calendula salve is great for soothing dry hands, feet, elbows, or any other rough patches. This simple recipe not only helps heal your skin but also leaves it feeling soft and nourished. Perfect for anyone looking for a natural, DIY skincare solution. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.